Welcome to my channel, Class Winners Books.
Unit 5, Sports and Nutrition Case Study 1, Promoting Girls' Participation in Sports. A government school launched a campaign called Play Like a Girl to encourage girls to take part in athletics and outdoor games. Teachers and local athletes are motivating parents to allow their daughters to train regularly. Case Study 2, Nutritional Needs of Female Athletes. An inter-school volleyball championship revealed that some girls fainted during the matches. Upon investigation, the school nurse found they were skipping meals and were not aware of the importance of nutrition. Case Study 3, Encouraging Physical Activity in Children. A school conducts a survey and finds that many children spend over 6 hours a day on screens and avoid physical games. The school introduces daily structured play periods for all age groups. Case Study 4, Menstrual Health and Sports. Some girls in Class 10 avoid participating in physical education classes during their menstrual cycles due to discomfort and social stigma. The teacher decides to educate them about hygiene, nutrition, and fitness benefits. Case Study 5. Girl Empowerment Through Athletics. Neha, a 15-year-old athlete from a rural school, wins a district-level medal. Her school appreciates her publicly and encourages other girls to participate in sports as well. Case Study 6. Addressing Early Specialization in Children. A private academy trains children aged 6 to 10 for competitive sports. While some excel, others show signs of burnout and injuries. The coach consults a sports expert on balancing training and development. Case Study 7. Designing Fitness Program for Young Girls. A girls' school introduces a fitness curriculum focusing on flexibility, endurance, and strength for preteen girls. The PE teacher emphasizes activities appropriate for age and gender. Case Study 8. Anemia in Adolescent Girls. A school health check reveals that many girls suffer from anemia, impacting their performance in physical education and daily activities. A nutritionist is invited to conduct a session. Case study 9. Dealing with body image in teen athletes. Some teenage girls in a sports academy become overly conscious of their body image due to peer pressure and media. The coach arranges a session on body positivity and performance. Case study 10. Creating equal opportunities in rural schools. A sports teacher in a rural school faces resistance from parents in allowing girls to participate in kabaddi and volleyball. She arranges community meetings to explain the benefits of girls in sports.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Classwinner Books.